Her head is stuck on this doorknob.
Leave me alone, this hand's hurt.
Hold on. Oh my God, I'm gonna have to cut it.
No, you're not.
Yes, I am too. Shanae, you're not giving me no slack. Oh my God. Shanae, what in the heck? Oh, I'm gonna have to cut it.
No, you're not.
I can't. You're pulling it too tight. Are you kidding me right now? I can't get it. I don't know how she's got her head wrapped around this doorknob. I don't know. What was your head doing down
I
there
ran
on
over
it?
to get Byron's shoes and my hair.
She bent over to pick Byron's shoes up, got her hair stuck in the knob. Oh, I don't know how you done this.
Look, Mommy, I've got him.
Oh my gosh, it's wrapped around there about 10 times. Yeah, I'm gonna have to cut it.
I don't know how I had my hair caught.
Oh gosh. Yeah, let me take the doorknob off. Oh gosh. Oh my God. Oh